So today I wanted to give you an update on our Amaryllis. It's doing quite well. It's very tall, very excited about life, and just almost about to pop open. It's really beautiful. I'm very excited to see it finally bloom. And there isn't much that's more beautiful than that. It's about 63 degrees out today. It's a little bit chilly. And I hope if you like these videos that you'll feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my other videos too. I do a video every day except Sunday. And go outside today.